Hello and welcome guys. You are most welcome to my channel Tech Pro Advice. Today in this short video we'll learn how to connect your YouTube channel with Twitter account. So firstly, open your YouTube channel and login. And now open your Twitter account. And now log in your Twitter account. Go to YouTube channel and in here click on your YouTube channel icon. Now in here click on this gear icon for settings. So you will go to YouTube settings and now in here you will see a list of features. So go to connected apps. Now you will see the option connect your accounts with Twitter. Simple click on connect. Now Twitter will ask permission, so click on authorize app. So friends, by this easy method you can connect your YouTube channel account with Twitter, and in next you will upload any video, so it will be automatically published on Twitter. Simple click on save. So friends, by this easy method you can connect your channel with Twitter. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching this video.